Well, hello, here we are this week on RollerBaz and CoasterDad. We'll find RollerBaz in a minute at the Hotel Matamba at Phantasialand. And this week we're giving you a tour of our room here and some of the hotel facilities. So let's go over to our room and see if we can find Baz. Let's see me all the way through the hotel on all the walls. And we're heading into room 1103. If there's anyone in. Hi RollerBaz, I've done the intro.
Hello.
We've had a big day at the park, which you'll have seen in our last vlog.
Yeah.
Been on some amazing rides, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
But now we're in an amazing
Hotel Matamba.
So, do you want to give us the tour? I'll just be shush.
Let's show you around. So, in here, got a light here. What's this? Don't know what that is.
That's the plug point.
Oh, cool.
For you to charge whatever you brought.
And this is my own tent.
It's like a safari tent, isn't it? You've got the kind of curtains that are meant to be a bit representative of mosquito nets and things. And you've got a couple of nice covers. Oh, little bear's made his way out of your bag. And you've also got
a
private table. Bit hard to pick up on the camera, but it is a private table there. And what have we got over here? We've got a little area to store our bags. It'll just come around the park with us and things today.
Oh, and let me just show you this bit. More storage.
The park is so amazingly themed. We've been saying it in our vlog all day, and like just little details like the curtains here. The floor has got a really nice feel and finish to it. So is the wall that's really textured.
Yeah, and if you come through here, you'll see
well, there's a telephone, but there's also
a lamp.
It's a nice safari lamp.
An old school lamp.
And I think those light up when you press some of the buttons around the room. Now, we haven't got... When we were at Chessington, we commented on the squishy mirror. Is this a squishy mirror?
Nah.
It's a ribble mirror. It's a really nice carved dark wood mirror. But let's turn around to see this part of the room.
This is Mum and Dad's bedroom.
This is a big, wide, seriously king-size, emperor-sized bed with beautiful curtains around it. This lovely throw. Really nice matching side tables. It's just gorgeous. And you know what else is gorgeous?
Oh, yeah?
Coaster Mum out there enjoying the view on the balcony.
Let me show you what...
Well, before we get to that, shall we just quickly cover the bathroom?
Oh, yeah.
Gotta do it, guys.
Right. Here you've got some luxury stone.
The finish on this is a massive piece of stone that's been carved into a bowl. Editing CoasterDad here. I'm about to miss that underneath the sink. There's a whole area with extra stuff. There was extra towels, tissues, and most importantly, a hairdryer.
And glasses for water if you need to do that for you.
Some time symbols in case you need to do a multiplication sum.
No.
No? Are there crosses for in case you need to play noughts and crosses? Oh, there's that. You've got a few glasses, aimed for a family of 4 here, but there's obviously just the 3 of us.
Some soap.
Shaving point, soap.
Toilet.
Again, textured walls. This is a bit more Artex. Toilet. I'm not going to focus on the toilet. And this lovely walk-in shower.
Shower.
And that is a nice kind of wet room style walk-in shower. Again, there's some toiletries included. And that's all in the room. And we have paid a tiny bit extra to have the park view. And on this time, we've actually paid a tiny bit extra for what, Baz? Hi, Judy. That's Judy.
The first inversion of Black Mamba.
Yep, the first inversion of Black Mamba's right there. We were showing you that. You got to see our vlog from last week where we had our first day in the park ever. We got so many creds. I think we ended up getting 7 out of 8 creds today. That's mad. And we've got even more to get tomorrow. We've got 2 water creds. Hi, Coaster Mum.
Hi.
Mum, Coaster Mum's just enjoying a little chill. We're going to go down and have some dinner soon in the buffet restaurant at Zambezi. Might even have a little cocktail or something, huh?
Oh yeah, that reminds me. Come with me.
Yeah?
That's not it. That's not it. You've got what's on the table.
Do you know, that's a really good point, Baz. We should take them through that. So,
It's all in German.
I don't speak enough German. I'm going to translate it, but I think what this is a free drink for Baz in the cocktail bar downstairs. The other thing that is worth knowing is that the staff here were lovely, weren't they? Amazing checking us in, like when we turned up. Super, super kind.
Yeah.
Great English, which was helpful because only one of us speaks German properly. We're learning now, aren't we, Baz?
Me.
Oh, you're the one, okay. But another thing we got was a hotel quick pass, and I have found this confusing all the way through the process, if I'm honest. It's the one problem I've had, was I've not been quite sure what the hotel quick pass would give us. Now, we have found out because we have used it. What you get is 1 ride over the course of the 2 days that you're here using the quick pass from the standard quick pass selection. You do not get 1 ride on each. You do not get 1 ride per day. You get 1 ride per person on something of your choosing. And we used it to save us queuing twice for the Wingers today, didn't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, just to clarify that for anyone who's thinking about coming here, it is just... Oh, God. Why don't I talk to you? It's just the 1 ride that you get. You don't get 5 rides and you don't get 1 ride per day. It's 1 ride, but you've got 2 days to use it. Another thing worth knowing is they give you a ticket, and that ticket, if you read it carefully, is for 2 days entry to the park. So once you've been allowed entry into the park with that first ticket, don't throw it away because you need it to get in tomorrow as well. Right. I think that's enough of that, isn't it, Baz?
Yep.
Right. We will see you. I'll probably take you down and have a viewer dinner. I'm not sure I'll chat to you too much during dinner though, because other people are eating, but we'll see. See you soon. This bit in the hallway running up to the Zambezi and buffet restaurant is only for kids. This here is the German for only for kids. Hi, are you busy at the moment? You're busy, are you? Are you busy? Okay. Are you recreating important scenes from the film Star Trek V? I've never seen it. I'm a 10-year-old. El Capitan! Really, really nice theming all the way down the hall. We've got this lovely, lovely painting there. We've got Baz going over a climbing frame. What more could you need? I mean, just the food selection is crazy. We've got some nice bread, we're having some nice salad starters, just everything under the sun here. It's just amazing. So I've had some tagine, I've had some curry. I've had some rice for my mate. Claire's thinking about going to the grill, right? They got red snapper. They got crocodile. They got zebra. As you're tucking into a nice bit of salad there, what did you have from the kids' buffet?
Oh, well, I had some pasta, some chicken bites, and I had some coleslaw, and I've got this.
Well, Baz has downed his kids' cocktail. So that was complimentary as a way to trick us into buying these cocktails that we were never going to buy. If, of course, we were going to buy them. So yeah, we've got a couple of cocktails and we are sitting in this thatched seat just next to Black Mamba. Okay, so Mum. Black Mamba. So yeah, we will pick up tomorrow morning, I think. We'll go to bed, we'll show you a bit of breakfast, we'll show you the hotel gate, and then you'll have to wait till next week for more rides and less drinks.
Hey dude, we're going on that tomorrow. Again. And again.
We had a great day yesterday, we had a great time in the hotel last night, but let's see how comfy it was. We're going to see Baz. Baz is in here somewhere. You're snoozing. Wake up, Baz. You're at Phantasialand.
Really?
No one believes you're asleep.
No. Alright. I was actually trying to go to sleep then.
Were you? Because
Yeah.
we agreed that you'd come in here and pretend to still be asleep.
Alright.
Oh, you did a good job of pretending.
Yeah.
How would you sleep in your big tent bed? Let's look at this cool bed.
It was amazing. It's my own little pod to myself.
Bigger bed than you got at home.
Yeah, bigger, no, it was actually a bigger tent.
It's a nice big tent, isn't it? And how did the small bear sleep?
I slept fine. Can I go on fly?
He's a loose article. So, let's get dressed and get ready for the day. Okay?
Okay.
So I did do a little tour of the children's breakfast buffet, but the video seems to have kind of corrupted in a strange way, so I'll just have to tell you what they had. They had all kinds of breakfast cereal, they had little cakes, they had pick and mix, weirdly, marshmallows with chocolate on, a range of fruits, and obviously the children could take things from the adult buffet if they needed to, like toast. So at breakfast there's a really good range of breads and bread products like croissants, rolls, butters. There's a hot breakfast buffet, including sausages, bacon, eggs, meatballs. I'm not even sure what that is, so I'll try it. Nice range of fruit. And then the continental options of cheeses, cooked meats and hams, range of salads. Oh, some dates, they're definitely going to go in. Lots and lots and lots of spreads and syrups and jams. I think that's some kind of edible bowl for your jam. That's a good idea. breakfast cereals, mueslis. And then over here we've got yogurts, chocolate drops. Whoa, weird. And up here, yeah, so we've got some information up on the top about what these things are, various yogurts and puddings, banana chips. And then, yeah, there's some more little bits here. And, oh, Baz. We're going to get Baz's reaction to this. There's a bucket full of pancakes and French toast. And if you need an omelette, they'll cook it in this station here. So maybe you'll want an omelette.